Are you looking for the top 5 best above-ground pools for summer fun? When you search for above-ground pools, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Celotots Inflatable Pool. The Celotots Inflatable Pool caught my attention with its generous 120 inches by 72 inches size and a price tag of $69.98. If you want a family-friendly option for summer fun, this is worth a serious look. This pool is designed for both kids and adults, holding up to 312 liters of water, which means it can accommodate a small gathering without feeling cramped. With a thickness that's double the usual for inflatable pools, it significantly reduces the risk of punctures, so you can relax knowing it's built to last. Plus, it inflates in just 3 to 4 minutes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or just want an afternoon splash session with the kids, this pool makes it easy and enjoyable. However, I did notice some complaints about the included valves being a bit tricky to manage, which might frustrate some users. But here's the thing. If you're careful and follow the instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have kids and want a safe, spacious place for summer fun. Skip this one if you're looking for something more permanent. For its price, it offers great value for a temporary setup. Now, if the durability of inflatable materials worries you, this next pool...
Product number 2, Intex Swim Center Lounge Pool. Next up is the Intex Swim Center Inflatable Family Lounge Pool, which you can snag for just $51.98. If you want a relaxing spot to enjoy drinks while the kids play, this is definitely worth considering. This pool's built-in bench and cup holders offer a great way for parents to kick back while the kids splash around. With a 156-gallon capacity, it's spacious enough for a small family. The size is ideal for smaller backyards, and the quick inflation means you can be ready in no time. However, one downside is its vinyl material, which may not hold up as well as sturdier pools in the long run. Now, some users have pointed out that the pool can get a bit hot in direct sunlight, but honestly, using it with some shade can fix that issue. This pool is perfect for those who want a casual lounging experience. Skip this one if you have a larger family or expect heavy use. Considering its price, it's a decent budget-friendly option. All right, that was a solid choice, but the next one on my list,
Product number 3, Intex Metal Frame Pool Set. The Intex Metal Frame Pool Set is a classic, coming in at $111.63. If you're looking for something more durable that can withstand the fun of family gatherings, this pool is definitely worth your attention. With a 12-foot diameter and a capacity of 1,718 gallons, it's solidly built for summer fun. The metal frame provides a sturdy structure, allowing it to hold up well even with rowdy kids. Plus, it's easy to set up in about 30 minutes without any tools required. The puncture-resistant 3-ply material means you can expect it to last several seasons. However, I found some reviews mentioning that the assembly instructions can be a bit confusing, which might slow you down. But once you get the hang of it, it's really straightforward. This is perfect for families looking for a reliable summer retreat in their backyard. Skip this one if you're very short on space, since it does require a bit of room. For its durability and features, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if that setup time concerns you,
Product number 4, Intex Prism Frame Pool Set. The Intex Prism Frame Pool Set, priced at $199.99, really steps up the game in terms of quality. If you want a pool that combines style and durability, this one's for you. With the same 12-foot diameter and a capacity of 1,718 gallons as the previous model, it boasts an upgraded structure with oversized metal tubing for enhanced strength. The unique T-joint design makes assembly a breeze, and you can have it filled and ready to go in about 30 minutes. Plus, this model comes with a filter pump that efficiently circulates water, keeping it clean all summer long. The downside, it's a bit pricier than others on this list, which might not fit everyone's budget. Now, some users have noted that the filter pump can be somewhat noisy, but it's not a deal breaker for most. This pool is perfect for those who want a stylish, long-lasting addition to their backyard. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for a temporary setup. For the quality and features, it's a solid investment. If you're still unsure about the price, let me Product number 5, Intex Metal Frame 10-foot Pool. Finally, we have the Intex Metal Frame 10-foot by 30-inch round above-ground pool set, priced at $99.17. If you need something that balances size and cost, this could be the right fit for you. With a water capacity of 1,185 gallons, it's a bit smaller than the others, but it's still perfect for a family. The 10-foot design is great for compact spaces, while still providing enough room for a few swimmers. Like other Intex models, it's easy to assemble, ready for water in about 30 minutes. The puncture-resistant material gives you confidence during summer play. However, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit cramped with more than 4 people, which might not work for larger families. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a pool for smaller gatherings or kids, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're tight on space but still want to enjoy summer fun without breaking the bank. Skip this one if your family is larger. So there you have it. From the family-friendly Sellout's inflatable pool to the stylish Intex Prism frame, each option offers something unique. Whether you need something temporary, durable, or budget-friendly, there's a pool here for everyone. Dive into summer with the right choice.